What steps should I take to winterize my tankless water heater?
Hello everyone! Today, we're going to talk about an essential topic that every homeowner with a tankless water heater should know about: how to winterize your tankless water heater. Winterizing your heater is crucial to avoid any potential damage from freezing temperatures, ensuring your heater works efficiently throughout the colder months.
Why winterize your tankless water heater?
First and foremost, it's essential to understand why we need to winterize our tankless water heaters. As temperatures drop, the water inside your heater can freeze, leading to pipe expansion and possible rupture. By winterizing your heater, you prevent freeze damage and ensure the longevity and performance of your device.
What you will need.
Before we start the process, let's gather all the necessary tools. You will need non-toxic RV antifreeze, a small recirculation pump, 2 washing machine hoses. Always remember, safety first. Make sure you follow all safety instructions during the entire process.
Turning off your heater.
The first step in winterizing your tankless water heater is to turn off the power supply. Make sure that all power to the unit is off before you proceed. This is important to ensure your safety during the process.
Draining the heater.
Next, you will need to drain all the water from your heater. To do this, close the cold and hot water isolation valves. Then, open the hot and cold water service valves to allow the unit to drain completely.
Adding antifreeze.
After draining the heater, it's time to add antifreeze. First, connect one washing machine hose to the cold water service valve, and the other to the hot water service valve. Then, connect the other ends to the recirculation pump. Place the pump in a bucket containing 2 to 3 gallons of non-toxic RV antifreeze. Turn on the pump to circulate the antifreeze through the heater.
Final steps.
Once you have circulated the antifreeze, close the service valves and disconnect the hoses. Now your heater is winterized. Remember, before using your heater again in the spring, you will need to flush out the antifreeze. And that's how you winterize a tankless water heater. It's an essential step to maintain the longevity and efficiency of your unit. Always remember to follow the instructions provided by your heater manufacturer as well. We hope this guide was helpful, and stay warm out there.